It's got a stock MT82 transmission, a 4 twin pump fuel system.
Yeah.
Stock 355 gears on a set of 10 and a half, 28-inch tall ET Street.
All right.
Drag slicks.
And what are we hoping for today?
I'm hoping to go some single digits. Some nines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
That's my goal. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thanks.
What happened?
I wouldn't get in the car to stick, spinning the tires, and finally figured it out, slipped the clutch a little bit, and went a 1.4860 foot to 987 at 138 mile an hour.
So you got your 9?
Got my 9s.
Hell yeah.
Second pass was a 991.
I'm glad I caught you because the time boards were off, but
Yeah, that was for a reason.
let's get that for proof here. I don't know if I could see it here. It's that one. There it is.